Imagine your phone, a turbocharged beast, acing every Mobile Legends game. Intriguing, right? So let's take the plunge together. The first thing to do is terminate all background apps. These are like parasites, leeching off your phone's resources and slowing it down. Once they're closed, you'll see a drastic improvement. Next, give your cache a good clean. Your phone's storage, a vital resource, should be clutter-free for a seamless gaming experience. Now, let's turn our attention to the game mode. Treasure, a feature found in most devices, significantly enhances your gameplay. Make sure to locate and use it. Finally, ensure your game is up to date. Game makers tirelessly work to improve gameplay. Hence, it's crucial to keep abreast with the latest updates. In the gaming world, as in life, a well-optimized machine always trumps. Keep these tips in mind, and your Mobile Legends gaming will reach new heights. Remember, a well-tuned machine wins the race. Game on.
Follow for more.